Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we are going to discuss now about functions of management. In the functions of management, there are so many functions as planning, organizing, coordinating, controlling, directing, staffing, and we'll discuss about that. Now, the first one is planning. Planning is the first function to perform by every manager. Planning refers to deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and who is going to do it. Planning is a bridge gap between where we stand today and where we want to reach. Every manager starts with deciding in advance the objectives of an enterprise and how to accomplish these objectives. Planning is the base of all other functions of management. I will give the sub-functions of planning: goal setting, strategic development, resource allocation, scheduling. And for example, Apple plans to launch a new iPhone model, setting sales target and allocating resources for production and the marketing. And going to the second function is organizing. The organizing is defined as the structuring and allocating the resources. As after setting up all the plans of next function of every manager is to do is organize the activities and establish an organizational structure. To execute the plan setting up organizational structure means deciding the framework of working, how many units and subunits of departments are needed, how many posts are designated and are needed in each department, how to distribute the authority and responsibility among different people. Once the decided, when once these decisions are taken, of an organizational structure gets set up. And sub-functions of organizing is departmentalization, delegation, staffing, and resource allocation. I will give the best example of organizing as Amazon reorganized its warehouses layout to increase efficiency and reduce the cost. And coming to the third functions of management is staffing. Staffing Staffing defined as the training, recruiting, and developing the employees. Here, staffing is a third step or the function of the manager. It refers to the recruiting and selection and appointing the employees, assessing them duties, maintaining fair relations, and taking care of grievances of employees. It also includes training and developing the employees, deciding their remuneration, promotion, increment, etc. Evaluating the performance and maintenance personal records of the employees. The best example of the staffing is Google hires and trains the software engineers to develop new products. Subfunctions of staffing are recruiting, selection, training, and development. And the fourth function of management is directing. The directing defined as the leading and promoting the employees. As a sales manager promotes the team to meet the quarterly targets. Directing. Once the employees are appointed, there is a need to instruct them and get the work done. Directing refers to the giving instructions to the employees by motivating them, supervising the activities of employees, communicating with them. Managers act as a leader to guide them with the right direction. So directing function includes supervising, motivating, communication, and leadership. The best example of the directing is Tesla CEO Elon Musk direct and motivates the employees to innovative and implement electronic vehicles technology. The subfunctions of directings are leadership, motivation, communication, supervision. And coming to the last function of management is controlling. The controlling is defined as the monitoring and evaluating the performance of the employees. For example, a quality control manager monitors production to ensure defect-free products. as controlling. This is the last function of the manager. In this function, manager tries to match the actual performance with the planned performance, and if there is no match between the both, then managers try to find out the reasons of deviations and suggest corrective measures to come on the path of plan. Controlling function refers to all the performance measurement and follow up the action that keep the actual performance on them on the path of plan. And and the subfunctions of the controlling is monitoring, evaluating, correcting, correcting, and reporting. The best example of controlling is Coca-Cola monitors and control the production quality to ensure the consistency. And additional functions of management is coordinating, integrating the different departments and the activities. The best function of management is communication, exchanging the information within and outside the organization. Decision making also the function of the management, making informed choice. Problem solving also the function of the management. And coming to the levels of the management, there are three levels in the management, as we know that top level management, middle level management, and supervisor management, or operational level management, or lower level management. We'll go through this top level management. The top level management consists of a chairman, board of directors. Board of directors are called as BOD, and managing directors, general managers, presidents, vice presidents, chief executive officers, CEOs, chief financial officer, and chief operating officer, etc. It includes the group of crucial persons essential for leading and directing the efforts for the people. The main functions of the top level management are determining the objectives of enterprises, forming and planning the policies, organizing activities to be performed by the persons, and working with the middle level, assembling all the resources such as finance, fixed assets, responsible for welfare and survival of the organization, affairs with the outside world and such as meeting and government officials, etc. Middle level management. These middle level managements are consists of department heads such as purchase department head, sale department head, finance manager, marketing manager, executive officer, plant superintendent, etc. People of this group are responsible for executing the plans and policies made by the top level. They act as an linking pin between the top and the lower level manager. Main functions of middle level managers are interpreting of policies made by the top level management, organizing the activities of their department, finding out or recruiting, selecting and appointing the required employees, motivating the persons to perform their best ability, controlling and instructing the employees, cooperative with each other department for smooth functioning, implementing the plan formed by the top level managers. Lower level management. These levels of the management consists of supervisors, subordinate foremen, subdepartments, executive clerks, and workers, etc. Managers of this group actually carries on the work from or perform the activities according to the plans of top and middle level manager. Their authority is too limited. The quality and quantity of output depends upon the efficiency of levels of this manager. They passes on instructions to the worker and report to the middle level managers. Main functions of the lower level management are representing the problems of the workers, maintaining the good working condition, developing the healthy relationships between supervisor and subordinates, looking for safety of the workers, helping the middle level managers in recruiting, selecting, appointing the workers, communicating with workers for welcoming their suggestions. They try to maintain perceived standards of quality. They are responsible for boosting the morale of the workers. And thank you for watching this video.